This is going to be the last opportunity before there's a lawsuit. I'm just letting you know.
Okay.
Okay. Again, you're the trustee.
Okay.
Okay? You did not do your job.
Okay.
Whenever I tell you all parties involved, that means all parties involved.
Okay.
Okay? According to what he said, and everything that happened in this courtroom that was not proper procedure is taking notice.
Okay.
Here is a common law vehicular jurisdiction constitutional driver's license. I've got witnesses here already. All I need you to do is fill out your part there.
I'm not the clerk of the county.
Well, who's the lady that said she was the deputy?
The clerk of the county is the county clerk in Livingston, Shalana.
Okay, well, I really don't need it because I got 2 signatures there.
Okay, so you don't want to take that and get the county clerk to sign it?
Just say that you received it. I don't do business with government officials. But these are all facts, so it should be recognized under the corporation that y'all are under. Everything I asked that DA, he did nothing but trickery and try to run circles. And I'm tired of playing dumb with everybody, trying to catch y'all into undue process as it's supposed to be done. When I ask for the right jurisdiction and y'all refuse it, that's a criminal defense.
Is this mine or yours?
That is, I'm going to tell you, this is for the judge.
Okay.
Okay, and this is also, you need to make a copy for David Moore, since he was acting as a counselor, as a DA, and a state representative.
Okay. So you want it forwarded to him as well?
Yes. This here is a complaint of due process. All you have to do is stamp it, saying that you got a complaint of due process. I will need a copy of that.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and these two, as trustee, again, I'm going to trust you to put these in the right hands.
And they'll go to the judge.
No, this needs to go to David Moore, because
David Moorman?
David Moorman. Okay, well, he told me David Moore. I didn't hear the N on it. But he told me specifically in there that he makes the decisions for the state and not the judge. The only reason why these papers are going to the judge, because the judge should know the law.
Okay.
Okay, and obviously he's making decisions without him making the decisions, which again is a criminal offense. That will be, if it is not dropped, there will be a lawsuit, and it's all the paperwork is in there. And there will be somebody contacting him to make sure that these papers did get received, since y'all cannot seem to do it. Or maybe he did know, because I think I have some information that he did know, even though he didn't get the proper paperwork. Because he claimed that he didn't, but for somehow reason he knew that there was papers that were filed. Well, if he never got the papers, how did he know they were filed? And how did he know motions that I put in and the ones I didn't put in, how did he know that? What gave him the right to assume that them motions were put in when they were never put in?
I'm not David, so I don't know.
Well, it's up to you to make sure who the proper people get the notices. It's not my job. I'll get the, is the chief in here or is he out there?
Chief's not in office.
Okay. And are you sure there wasn't no audio on these cameras?
There is no audio.
No audio. Okay. I just want to make sure. The reason why I asked is, how was y'all keeping documentation on the pretrial?
What do you mean?
How'd y'all keep records?
We're not a court of record.
Well, if it's a trial, so what do you mean you're not a court of record? If I'm going before a state attorney, a DA, and someone that's got putting on 3 suits, I think that y'all should be. And also, I'll be also coming back because I noticed that there was things that were not in my file of discovery. For instance, Officer Gregson was wrote up, and it wasn't in the discovery.
Wrote up for what?
For misconduct.
You have to take that up with the chief.
So you don't put that in your records?
Not in your record of your ticket.
Well, discoveries of everything, from the ticket to everything.
You can request that from the police department.
So again, falsification. Also, I need a copy of the original in the discovery when I asked, the original where he signed it. Because I don't work through stamps and no signatures. Where's the original copy that he was the complainant? Not what y'all wrote up. Well, do what?
You got a copy of that.
I didn't
give you the original complaint.
No, I want a copy of it. I don't want the original. I want where he signed it. Where his name is on there.
Where's those papers you got in court?
That doesn't have his name. I got him right here. It does not have his name on it. Our sheet right here. There's nowhere on there is his signature.
You want a copy of the complaint? Here's a copy of the complaint.
No, I want a copy of the ticket with his signature on it.
They don't sign the ticket, so it's printed on here.
So from the get-go, he never signed it? Is that what you're telling me?
Signed what?
The original copy of the ticket.
They're printed on here. If you have any questions about how they filed those tickets...
Y'all running this system corrupt. You said that at the judge's discretion, I was able to have... it was up to him to decide if I was recording? Mm-hmm. Okay. But y'all also find most fault. That's going to be part of the lawsuit because that's wrong. I have a right to record anywhere I go in public. You should learn the law. Why wasn't the judge in the pretrial?
The pretrial's with the prosecutor.
I'm going to tell you again, and you can go back there and talk to him, and he knows he's wrong. I've got evidence saying that he was supposed to be in there if it's considered a criminal case. Misdemeanor, whatever. Also, the DA said that Gregson was present. Mm-hmm. He was not present.
Officer Gregson was here on court.
He was not inside. He was here in court. Why was he in that room?
Officer
Tell me why he was not in that room.
He was in there.
Court was in session?
Huh?
Court was in session?
Officer Gregson was here.
Court was in session.
You were in a pretrial here.
It does not matter. You made everybody abide by your rules by saying court was in session. Mm-hmm. Again.
He was here.
He was not.
Okay.
He was not in there. I'm telling you.
You
I ain't arguing. You're correct. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay. It's just showing that y'all are committing lies. Y'all are pushing the court system onto y'all's behalf. And you're not protecting the citizens of this town.
All right.
So there's a lot of fraud going on. Yep. This way. Hit stop, huh? Huh? Now I ain't gonna talk to him this way. He won't be talking to you. Here's the chief right here. All right, just the man I need to talk to. It's all under good conditions.
I don't trust you.
You don't trust me? I wouldn't either. No more than I trust anybody else. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't see you right there. This young man behind me, he is also a grandson of one of our founding fathers. And all I'm going to do here is just give you some valuable information. I'm going to get his recorder. which that's okay. He's got a right to record. And he's taking it personal, which is bias. When they're here to protect the people and follow the laws. You know, it's supposed to be because I called him in some lies, big time. Just scared to dude. He went to go get his recorder.